visit him, or she visited him in his dream?
Yeah. Alright, so here's what you need to do. You're going to look at each other's papers, your kind of almost final drafts, and you're going to first edit for grammar, right? You should have already looked for that. If you saw any problems, you should have already kind of given some feedback. But now I want you to focus in on content. Have they driven up to their climax well enough? Have they developed their character well? What can they do to make it even more dramatic, even more clear, and those details where you can picture it in your head, okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right, go for it.
Here you go. We'll switch iPads and then we'll do it. This part right here, you forgot to space. That's what the Pandora's father found a man provided that he used.
What was that?
Like right here, when one of the like Sparta people,
Yeah, Spartans.
yeah, shot their
Yeah.
like arrows and it hit a dude, and you couldn't say like. Then Athens quickly used their shields to block the guy. You just said Athens used their shield to block. Okay.